This single mental flip turns confusing tickers into ownership tickets in the world's greatest companies. I used to yawn through finance lectures until I discovered what a stock actually is. A share is not a blinking number. It is a slice of a living, breathing enterprise. Imagine owning 5% of Amazon at the garage stage. Jeff Bezos would work 24/7 for you. You do not need billions to partner with genius. You need only the price of a pizza slice. The moment this clicks, you stop gambling and start thinking like a business owner. Would you sell your thriving cafe because a stranger knocks daily offering a different price? Welcome to Mr. Market, the manic neighbor who quotes your business every second and begs you to react. Reacting to every quote is like planting a seed, then digging it up hourly to check the roots. Owners who know their ground smile when Mr. Market screams and buy him out cheap. Yet rigid forever holding can hurt if the fundamentals rot or better opportunities appear. Buffett traded fast in his youth when capital was scarce and bargains plentiful. Only after compounding billions did he choose friendships and permanence over extra basis points. Master the rules, then master when to bend them. That is the art. The first tribe wants gurus to shout orders. Markets punish that dependency. The second tribe loves ambiguity, sharpening judgment, knowing perfect answers never exist. So ask yourself next weekend, if you could own 10% of your favorite store, would you stare at its quote every minute or study its shelves and customers? When ownership thinking truly hits, boredom turns to curiosity and screens turn to stories. Hold this mindset, and the market becomes a servant, not a tyrant.